I take you on a little walking tour here in the sanctuary together. It's Good Friday, 10:30. Let's go together. See, it's very peaceful. Later we are going to go all across mountain, praying the way of the cross. Here's the sanctuary. Like always, we say hello to Our Lady. There she is. Isn't that beautiful? There's Our Lady. All the pilgrims are going across mountain. Official way of the cross, 11 o'clock today. So I have still some time to go. Meantime, we're going to have a little walk around. Hello. See, confessionals always at 5 o'clock in the evening. Hello. See, people are happy. And you have the Catholic faith, people are happy. There's a friend of mine, a priest over there. Hello, hello. And we continue the tour. Very nice man. Here you see the sanctuary, Our Lady in the back, over there. Yesterday evening the masses started outside again. So it's time, summer or spring is coming and the masses start to be outside. There were tons of people, a lot of people here. See there? In the back you can see they're going over to the risen Christ. Very peaceful. Have a look around here. See, everything is very, very peaceful still. And here I leave you with this beautiful view. Let's go over to Our Lady. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the videos that other people as well can see the beauty of Medjugorje. I take you over to Our Lady. See, it's a very peaceful atmosphere. Also give a like to the videos, that helps that they go up and are visible on YouTube, and share them. Facebook, Instagram. And here's Our Lady. I'm so grateful. She helped me a lot. You will see that too if you come to Medjugorje. It's a school here, school of healing and restoration. And I leave you with this beautiful view on Our Lady. Have a beautiful, joyful day. I pray for you here today on the mountain, praying the way of the cross. And God bless you all from Medjugorje. Remember, we are the Hallelujah people. We spread joy. Bye-bye for now.